Well, today I want to test out this plastic rejuvenating product I've purchased online. I have quite a badly faded car. A lot of the black plastics have gone. This is the RAYHONG plastic revitalising coating agent. You do see this in a similar size bottle. It comes with, well, let's unwrap it. We get one bottle and a microfiber towel, although it does feel a little slim to the touch. Also a very basic one. There's not really a lot of depth with it. It doesn't feel great. And a foam applicator pad. There are no instructions on how to use it, so we'll just find some really badly faded plastic on the vehicle and see if it makes a difference. This section here would be an ideal test candidate, so without further ado, we'll pour a bit on we'll go for the black side of the sponge and see what happens. It's making a little bit of difference. It's just a case of repeated application. It's still very white on the top. I'm not sure if that's been contaminated with some polish, so we'll give the product the benefit of the doubt there. And we do seem to be yielded an improvement. The sponge is now becoming detached from the pad, so I'm not really having a lot of faith in this for a product, but we'll do another faded area of the car just to see. So this area below the headlight is about as faded as it's going to get, so I'll give it a working over with this product just to see if we can make much of a difference to it. I'm only going to do a small area. I'll do more repetitions of that. I've done in the region of 10 coats on that, and reaching the stage where it's refusing to soak it in now, so we'll do a little bit on the dash. I'll just show you the bottle. This is the low quality packaging, and that top doesn't even have a hole in it. We'll just pop it open like that, and inside it looks very much like washing up liquid and water. And when you put it on, it seems to make a difference and all looks well. You think, yeah, that's the finish I want. But within moments it just dries off. I'll show you the front bumper I did earlier. See, it made absolutely zero difference to the bumper. This must have had about 10 applications. So I'll now show you the best thing to do with this miracle product. The best thing you can do with it is drop it straight in the bin and forget about it. Many thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.